ये भाई दुबई की तो गई, तूने देखा? बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे करते हैं कि ओ ब्रो गो टू दुबई, इंडिया सो बैड, टैक्स फ्री। मतलब ऑनेस्टली सच बात तो ये है कि जो मैंने बड़ी 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 अच्छी ट्वीट देखी थी, जितने भी बैनोस्फियर के बंदे हैं, जितने भी यूक्रेनियन, एस्टोनियन, रशियन प्रोस्टिट्यूट्स हैं और जितने भी क्रिप्टो ब्रोज हैं, वो यूएई की एयरफोर्स ने इतनी लेट रिएक्ट करा है कि वो फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस है। यू कुड नेवर एवर एक्सपेक्ट कि दुबई, यूएई जैसी जगहें जो अपने आप को बोलती हैं कि वेस्ट की सारी इन्वेस्टमेंट आया, बहुत सेफ है, बहुत बढ़िया है, गल्फ कंट्री है, घंटा हो गया उनका। आई मीन राइट नाउ मैंने पठानी बैन पहन रखा है टू रिप्रेजेंट इंडिया। मेरे को कोई वो नहीं मिला ट्राई कलर या नेहरू जैकेट, बट यू गॉट लव इंडिया। नहीं? हाँ, क्या मचा। I mean, I will just say this on camera. I know people will hate me for it. Sleepy Owl is the worst coffee company. I don't know how they keep surviving. जब 2020 में लॉकडाउन चला था ना, तब मैं इनकी घटिया कॉफी पीता था, नया नया जस्का पड़ा था कॉफी पीने का, तब भी साली एकदम जहर थी। अब ये माचा में घुस गए हैं, ये पता नहीं गन्ने हैं ये। हम्म। एनीवे सो ये जो कोई, दिस पॉडकास्ट इज नॉट रियली लाइक अ डीप डाइव जियोपॉलिटिकल एनालिसिस, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, पर मेरे को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगता है। वॉर टाइम पे ना ट्विटर बहुत बढ़िया हो जाता है, एंड इट्स वर्थ वॉचिंग। नाउ मोदी went to Israel, hugged Netanyahu. उनकी जो पार्लियामेंट है नेसेट gave him a standing ovation. Modi said that he was born on the day India formally recognized Israel. There was also something admirable where the members of the opposition in the Israeli parliament who are opposed to Netanyahu were about to walk out against Netanyahu, but they decided कि क्योंकि मोदी आ रहा है, they will walk out during Netanyahu's part, will come back for Modi. I think it's very nice. Even if it's optics, purely optics, said there is a certain kind of trust and admiration that the Modi government enjoys abroad, and India's perception in Israel as a key strategic partner is very admirable. ये देख के अच्छा ही लगा, मतलब हमारे देश का नाम ऊंचा हुआ है, नीचा नहीं हुआ। लेकिन ये जो तुरुप का एक का मारा है, मोदी comes back to India and bum 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 bum, that I didn't understand. Like all of a sudden markets are crashed, crypto bros are upset, ट्विटर पे सारे की सारी, मतलब किसी ने बोल रखा था शिया लिबूफ की डेथ हो गई, कोई कह रहा है कि भाई केविन स्पेसी मर गया इसराइल के अंदर। एक तो फेक न्यूज इतनी है ना। अभी मैंने एआई वाला वीडियो देखा जिसके अंदर बुर्ज खलीफा के अंदर नकली एआई की एसएफएक्स वाली आग लग रही है, और नीचे वो पीछे लिख रहा है एक ईरान का, जो वो होते हैं बॉट अकाउंट्स की, हमने खत्म कर दिया ये। इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक डूड ऑपरेशन सिंदूर वाज such a great methodical thing, and this is just chaos maximus. And if you think about Khomeini, I've been following Khomeini's account for a very long time. Khomeini ने बांग्ला में भी अकाउंट बना रखा है ताकि all the Bangla boka chodas, enjoy the things of his रहबर. I mean, have you seen the videos of the Lucknowi Muslims crying over Khomeini? देखा है? No, India has a big population of Shia Muslims, understandable, but I hate to say it. Something that my right-wing friends say is true. That if, as a Hindu, my allegiance or my number one spiritual allegiance is to the country of India, my leader or like मेरे मेरे भगवान अगर यहाँ पे, मेरा मंदिर यहाँ पे है, for some of these guys, their temple or their highest leader is somewhere else. Same for Christians, by the way, right? It's the Vatican. तो ये एक बड़ी हैरानी की बात है कि हमारे रहबर मर गए। मतलब I'm gonna react to some of the shit and you'll see कि क्या है कैसे है, but it's good to be back. मैंने सोचा कि अपने जियो पॉलिटिकल रॉलिटिक्स के अंदर किसको बुलाऊं। पवनीत सिंह को बुलाऊं, अभिजीत अय्यर मित्रा को बुलाऊं, क्या कहते हैं, अभिजीत चावड़ा को बुलाऊं। मैं वो सिक्का पलट रहा था कि आज कौन आएगा कि या तो आइंस्टाइन आएगा, या तो ज्ञानी जाइल सिंह आएंगे, या आएगा तेनाली रमन। ये तीन है, ये तीन जियो पॉल के। हेलो जी, हेलो जी, 100 के व्यूज भाई, 100 के व्यूज चाहिए। मैं जानना चाहता हूँ चाइना क्या सोच रहा है। क्या सोच रहा है चाइना, अभिजीत? क्या सोच रहा है रशिया? क्या सोच रहा है ये? जियो पॉलिटिक्स होते ही भारतीय पॉडकास्टर, ओ जल्दी से आजा एक्सपर्ट, एक्सपर्ट मेरे पॉडकास्ट पे आजा, जल्दी से व्यूज दे दे मेरे को, बहन के लोड़ा। यस, इट्स सच अ फकिंग जोक। आई मीन इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि मैं खुद ही आ जाता हूँ आज, ताकि लोग ये ना बोले कि भाई अरे यार आपने तो टाइम भी नहीं देखा और आप तो शुरू हो गए। आपको तो बाइट चाहिए थी। ओ यार तो अल्टीमेटली largely it's a great time to be in India. What do you think? You feel like that Dubai dream is over या नहीं? हम्म, हाँ, चलता रहता है। हाँ। पर ये जो बहन एक लोग बात बोल रहे हैं ना कि यार इंडिया में लोग फ्लाईओवर से मरते हैं, भैंस गाय मार देती है उनको, ये मैं मना ही नहीं कर रहा कि इंडिया में एक्सीडेंटल डेथ नहीं होती, लेकिन तुम एक तरह से तुमने अपना $multi-million एम्पायर सेटअप कर रखा है एज अ फ्रॉडुलेंट क्रिप्टो ब्रो। वहां पे जाके तुम बोल रहे हो कि भैंस टैक्स हेवन है, और वहां आके मिसाइल जाए, वो अलग है। हम भारत में ये नहीं कहते कि यहाँ टैक्स नहीं है, हम ये भी नहीं कहते कि हम हमारा जो मन है हम वो करते हैं। पर यहाँ के अपर मिडिल क्लास, यहाँ के अमीर, सिविक नाइटमेयर्स के बावजूद, बुरी सैनिटेशन के बावजूद, बुरी एयर क्वालिटी के बावजूद सुरक्षित तो है कि नहीं? इफ यू रियली थिंक अबाउट इट, ड्यूरिंग सिंदूर ऑल्सो people were safe. It's very rare to have that. I don't think people appreciate the fact that we have been tremendously powerful in national security. And yeah, I mean, films like Dhurandhar make you realize कि हम जो पहले कैसे करते थे और अब कैसे करते हैं. And yeah, also I'm very excited for Dhurandhar, by the way. I wanna get a little and then go and watch Dhurandhar Part 2. क्योंकि उसके अलावा तो क्या है, Netflix पे देखी मैंने, लैपटॉप पे बिल्कुल मजा नहीं आया. It was not as fun. What do you guys think about this whole skirmish? What do you think about Trump? मैं अभी ट्रम्प की रिसेंटली किताब पढ़ रहा था, द आर्ट ऑफ द कमबैक, और मैं साथ साथ माकियावेली भी पढ़ रहा था, which is by the way this book right here. What a great fucking book. It's called The Discourses. It is way better than The Prince in so many ways. It's much more diplomatic. It's about running a state. It's also about how it's a strategy book essentially. और I'm going to be sharing my अभी अपलोड होगा पॉडकास्ट, मेरे सारे के सारे insights और notes जो हैं they're going to be on my Patreon and on YouTube members, so you can access it. And I think it's a fantastic book. Sorry, I was a little inactive on Patreon. मुझे समझ नहीं आया था and I couldn't keep up with all the stuff that was happening. But I'm back on it. I'm killing it, and it's going to be a good time. So if you want to see this kind of stuff where it's weekly recommendations, book recommendations, music recommendations, private videos, all of that, back on Patreon. We're doing a weekly cadence of that, back to back to back, PDFs, the whole works. You can sign up, ठीक है? क्या कर रहे हैं? काम कर रहे हैं? मैं तो YouTube वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ, मेरे साथ रिकॉर्ड नहीं करेगा?
गाइस ये सब प्री प्लान्ड है, ये सब बताया गया था कि ये कभी ना कभी आएगा. इसका जो आपने स्टार्टिंग में हाई सुना ना एंटर करते हुए, वो सेकंड टाइम एंट्री थी.
माइक की माँ मचोत फिर करके इसको लगा ले, अगर गांड में मारनी है तो लगा के. बेसिकली क्या कर रहा है ये, फर्स्ट ये बिडिंग कर रहा है इरानियन पौंड में. पहले किसका कब्जा होगा ईरान की पौंड पे? तो इट्स हिम एंड राज कुंद्रा. They're both auctioning Iranian porn actresses to come to India. He's interested in giving this flat away to one of them. तो अभी यहाँ पे रिंग लाइट आएगी, तो फिर यहाँ पॉर्न शूट हुआ करेगा. तो I am just dressed up as an ethnically Iranian man.
Bro, imagine if there was a CCTV here that captured.
ठीक है, आ जा भाषण में.
मुझे थोड़ा बड़ा रिएक्शन करना है तेरे एपिसोड पे. क्या
बाइक दे. हाँ कर लियो, कोई बात नहीं, बुरा थोड़ी मान रहा हूँ मैं.
हाँ मुझे पता नहीं था. I need to react.
हाँ तो कोई नहीं, it's okay. We're not married. It's fine. It's like you're behaving weirdly. The fuck, retard. आ जा अंदर बाद में. ये क्या था? मैंने एक ट्वीट पढ़ी, उसमें तालिबान कह रहे हैं इस वॉर पे हम भी भाग लेंगे और हम ह्यूमन सुसाइड बॉम्बर्स भेजेंगे. तो किसी ने कोट ट्वीट करा है कि भाई साहब ड्रोन के एरा के अंदर आप ह्यूमन सुसाइड बॉम्बर्स भेजते हो, यू जस्ट डू इट फॉर द लव ऑफ द गेम. Have you seen that clip of no, not this, of the guy, of the Muslim comedian? I think we have to find who he is. जो कोलकाता में परफॉर्म कर रहा है, जिसे बंदा बार बार कह रहा है जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम.
बोलो जय श्री राम.
जय श्री राम, वंदे मातरम.
भारत माता की जय। अब तुम बोलो अल्लाहू अकबर।
So smart. 3 days ago, the United States of America assassinated the supreme leader of Iran. And today, I'm going to tell you that story. But first, I need you to read a tweet. In 2013, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, the man who controlled Iran for 35 years, the man who approved funding for Hezbollah, Hamas, and the Houthis, tweeted this from his official account. I went to school with a cloak since first days. It was uncomfortable to wear it in front of other kids, but I tried to make up for it by being naughty and playful. The internet found this tweet 72 hours after an American bomb turned him into a historical footnote. And someone quote tweeted it with, "Born to be a lover, forced to be the supreme leader." So today we're going to talk about how the world's most dangerous geopolitical crisis is also somehow the funniest timeline on the internet. And why India might be the only country having a good week. कितना बढ़िया नहीं लगता ये? It fucking beats all other LLMs in terms of what it's doing, right? Which is true, by the way. मतलब खुमैनी की बहुत सारी tweets ऐसी सर्कुलेट हुई जिसमें वो कह रहा है कि आपको अपनी बीवी से प्रेम से और प्यार से बात करनी चाहिए. और ये सेम बंदा है, बाय द वे, हु सेड दैट अगर आप प्रिजनर ले रहे हो औरत को और वो वर्जिन है तो आप पहले उसको रेप करो, उसके बाद उसे जेल में लेके जाओ मारने के लिए. Same guy, fucking weird. Many people, this is what often happens. They kill Osama, suddenly Osama's a good guy. You know, they kill Saddam Hussein, suddenly they're like, oh, nahi, Saddam Hussein acha aadmi tha. They kill Gaddafi, it happens. I'm not going to go into the details of it, but अब suddenly बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं खमेनी इंडिया के लिए अच्छा था, which is also controversial, by the way, because just because Khamenei read a book on Nehru does not mean that he was necessarily nice for India. And, you know, kudos to Modi for going to the Israeli parliament, for doing what he did, and for finally condemning this from Iran. पहले ईरान के अंदर 2025 से 2026 के अंदर प्रोटेस्ट हुई हैं जिसके अंदर इनका रजीम है 30,000 सिविलियंस को मार देता है. इस सेम वक्त में यूएसए सबसे बड़ी मिलिट्री प्रेजेंस बिल्ड करता है मिडल ईस्ट के अंदर. इराक में उन्होंने लास्ट से 2003 में करी थी, ठीक है. फरवरी 2024 पे ट्रंप अपना जो स्टेट ऑफ द यूनियन होता है जिसके अंदर ये जो मतलब बताता है कि भाई ये मैटर चल रहा है, जो वेयर द प्रेसिडेंट बेसिकली एड्रेसेस हिज एंटायर हाउस, टू हाउसेस, accuses Iran of reviving nuclear weapons program, right? And for a long time, Iran has been an unconfirmed nuclear power, but it's remained in that status. फरवरी 28 D-Day, यूएसए और इसराइल जॉइंट स्ट्राइक्स लॉन्च करते हैं. इसराइल उसको बोलता है रोरिंग लायन, पेंटागन उसको बोलता है ऑपरेशन एपिक फ्यूरी, ठीक है. नाउ बिफोर यू नो, मैं इस टाइमलाइन के अंदर और भी बात कर रहा था. व्हाट इज क्रेजी इज आई एम जस्ट रीडिंग दिस ऑन द हिंदू. जो ईरान का IRGC है, they said they targeted Israel PM Netanyahu's office. There are unconfirmed rumors that Netanyahu is hiding in Berlin, a Jew in Berlin. That is strange. I don't think this rumor is true, but if it is true, it means that I don't know enough about geopolitics, but bhai, that is crazy. To hit the prime minister's office is just wild. So I don't know what kind of thing Iran is on. I'm going to stick to my Claude. Khamenei was killed. And उस टाइम पे Iranian state media ने कुछ समय के लिए ऐसा दिखाया that Khamenei is actually alive, and they circulated a video where you can see Khamenei talking about some other stuff, and they linked it to show that, you know, Khamenei is actually alive. Which is the crazy part, that we in Operation Sindoor we saw कि we are in a narrative war where both sides attempt to win the narrative by claiming victory by spreading false information. Narrative warfare एक चीज होती है. यहाँ पे बहुत escalate हो गया है क्योंकि इरानियन स्टेट मीडिया भी ऐसी बात नहीं स्ट्रॉन्ग. There's lots of accounts like that, right? All of this happens. Khamenei is killed, but that's like the supreme ayatollah, the cleric of the country. इसके बाद तेहरान, जो उनका कैपिटल है ईरान का, they fire 165 ballistic missiles, 2 cruise missiles, and 541 drones at Israel and Gulf states hosting US bases. UAE, Qatar, Kuwait, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia. यहाँ तक भी ठीक है. The moment they escalated and started attacking civilian stuff is when shit hit the fan. Now, this is the body count, official body count. 555 people killed in Iran, 3 Americans dead, 3 killed in UAE, 58 plus injured, 16 injured in Qatar from missile debris. Hezbollah joins the fight from Lebanon. Yeah, give him the mic. Thanks. Oh, bro, so good. crazy. Oh, so much pain, so much trauma, so much fight or flight. Oof, the stresses of Khomeini.
2-3 दिखा.
कैसी बातें कर रहे हैं? 2-3 if you just get the audio of this, it's gonna sound so wrong.
2-3 दिखा.
2-3 देखा. All right, like okay, Modi is arguably playing Ludo all the time. एक टाइम पे हिब्रू में ट्वीट आती है, एक टाइम पे भैंचो उसमें आती है ट्वीट. क्या है ये? What is this?
अच्छा अभी मीम्स रिव्यू कर रहे हैं, ट्वीट रिव्यू कर रहे हैं.
Yeah. Okay. No. It's just. Oh, that's why. It says I discussed developments in the situation in West Asia with His Royal Highness Prince Mohammed bin Salman Al Abdulaziz Al MBS. बोल दे यार भाई. Crown Prince and Prime Minister. I condemn. Blah blah.
How many people do you think handle Modi ji's Twitter?
I think a bunch of guys. Yeah.
Yeah. You
World
think,
War-
okay, when was the last time you think Modi tweeted himself? Literally logged into Twitter and went, oh, this thought belongs in the ether.
Have you watched Modi's interview with Rajiv Shukla?
Yeah, of course I
है ना? Where he's like, कंप्यूटर पे सर्फिंग करो, रात भर चैटिंग करते रहो, बहुत मजा आता है. मैं तो बहुत चलाता हूँ कंप्यूटर. He's so excited. He's just like,
I forgot that, bro.
yeah.
This was when?
This is when he was Gujarat CM. I think it's first or second term. And Rajiv Shukla is like slim. He's slim. And Rajiv Shukla was then put on the map after that. After that, Sonia Gandhi like roped him in that he's an interesting guy. Hello? He was the Raj Shamani of that time, basically. You know, like putting people at the right place at the right time. Hello? And then... But I just get like, look at these random accounts. Nehal Singh Trader, just some random woman, right? Like looks like this, right? But she's just... It's just random rage baiting. क्या हो गया? What?
You just showed me the poor girl stood DP and went,
Yeah, look like this. मतलब कई बार वो कुछ और लगा देते हैं anon type चीज ना. ये देख, ये क्या, ये rage baiting चल रही है. World War III alert. Trump just said Iran wants to talk and he agreed to talk. Iran will show more.
what the hell, dude?
People are doing that, bro. They're just rage baiting. कि show more के चक्कर में 1 million views आ गए इस पे.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
अच्छा इसका creator payout enabled है ना?
Oh yeah.
शायद ही शो मोर लिखा हुआ है.
As social media manager, he's like, I should follow that. All right. So, why am I seeing this shit?
क्या meme save करी है तूने?
Page of meme. Israel Foreign Minister John, India's at war, by the way, with... You know who this is? Yashaswini Raje Singh.
The girl you went to Israel with?
No,
Oh, I don't know.
it sounds wrong. I didn't go to Israel with any girl. I went on an important diplomatic mission with the government of India as an important YouTuber of credible veracity.
Credible veracity. Heard it first here. Those cars.
दो word जोड़ दिए. Credible veracity.
Verifiable credibility.
No, but it's just some political leader's daughter who goes beyond her father's stance and gets against his stance.
How many followers?
Many followers on Instagram also. She's basically like, she's like a more vocal Faye D'Souza. Faye D'Souza is neutral. And
She's a woke vocal.
yeah, so Faye D'Souza does grey square, black text. I think she does black square, white text. Oh my god. Oh shit. The Mossad has just released a photo of Ali Khomeini's body. Have you seen this?
This is... No.
It looks like AI, no?
This is not the main Khomeini, is it?
Yeah, it is the main Khomeini. He's got... यार इसमें पक्का that's
मुझे I don't believe. Ask Grok, is this real? किसी ने पूछा होगा.
that's Ben Kenobi in the second. भाई. Yeah, that's an actual thing he said. Female prisoners who are virgins must be raped before execution to prevent them from entering heaven.
No, this is the first Khomeini.
Oh, dude, fuck.
There are two Khomeinis.
All right,
There are two the great leaders, so to say, quote unquote.
This is another game altogether. This is the head of the Balochi guys, the Balochi Liberation Front, whatever.
Okay.
ये सारे हमारे right wing लोगों को follow करता है, ठीक है?
Indian baiting.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah.
Is that what it is?
I don't know. You heard it first here on those cars.
Countdown for end of Pakistan started. अच्छा एक चीज क्या होती है जब भी कोई मूवमेंट हो रही होती है ना इंडिया में तो जो ये एंगेजमेंट वाले होते हैं शुरू कर देते हैं समथिंग बिग इज हैपनिंग उस पे वो आ जाती है engagement. What is happening, Grok? What is he saying? What is he saying, Grok?
अच्छा, people who think Grok does real time reportage, बेचारा Grok कहता है my memory ends in February.
ये देख भाई, what is this?
सब देख रहा है.
Dubai airport at the moment, wealthy expats are willing to pay half as much as $1 million per person to escape, but all aircraft is grounded. What do you think?
I think it's nonsense. I think Dubai is still going to be, it's a one time thing. ठीक है.
You
One-time thing.
you don't think their perception is permanently hampered?
No, I
No.
will also say I don't think so. I honestly don't think so.
Interesting. See, this is the kind of fake news that comes out.
Bro, to the Dubai point, I think the Dubai thing would have been, it would have been permanent had Khamenei not been killed. The head of your country, one of the most important Middle Eastern countries, was killed, and the only casualty is 4 American soldiers and some infrastructure damage. I don't think that matters.
Our goat is here, Epstein. They have, पता क्या बोला उन्होंने कि तेल अवीव के अंदर केविन स्पेसी मारा गया.
पहले क्या था?
हाँ.
You know, yeah, it has a lot of retarded shit.
मेरे में बहुत है, मैंने जानबूझ के बना रखी है इसकी.
क्योंकि फेक शिट बहुत आती है. मतलब मेरे में फेक न्यूज नहीं आती.
मेरे में बहुत आती है, मैं तो फॉलो करता हूँ उसको और अपने अंदर उसको वो करता
मैंने वो रिपोर्ट करके वो अपना फीड क्यूरेट
हूँ. अच्छा तो ये have you seen this nose? This is the vice president of Iran.
In life, which is let me bring the country to a point that they can make that free choice.
I haven't seen a more punchable face in my.
You will
This guy, someone said that all the oxygen in the world is being inhaled by this particular guy, right? I mean, and they say that he's a Jew in decoy in Iran. Just look at that nose.
a sanctuary in Iran.
Bro, जो पंचिंग बैग वाली मशीन होती है ना, उसका पंचिंग बैग लग रहा है.
ये रॉयल इंसेस्ट है ये. 3 a.m. in a Dubai nightclub. Bro, it's like what is that place that serves cheap kebabs?
मियाँ कबाब.
No, not Mia Kebabs. कौन सी नहीं एक ऐसा कौन सा इंडिया के अंदर आउटलेट है जहाँ बहुत सस्ता खाना मिलता है, मीट का भी 6 तरह के ऑप्शंस होते हैं. इट्स वेरी चीप, लाइक इट्स लाइक वेयर फैमिलीज गो टू ईट. तंदूरी फैक्ट्री, तंदूरी जंक्शन, बारबेक्यू नेशन के अंदर अगर आपका बर्थडे होता है तो वो सारे नाचते हैं आपके लिए, जितना स्टाफ होता है. Yeah, look at that. That's a fake account.
Fake account, man.
They're saying that's the Burj Khalifa.
Completely AI generated. Damn, bro. Damn.
This is Hindutva Night is a
I've blocked this account.
sure. Khamenei is not Epstein because he made laws that allows men to penetrate 9-year-old, marry 13-year-old, rape virgin female prisoners. Love it. What else? Yeah. See, this is India issues a notification reserving airspace for Indian Air Force exercise in the southern section of its border with Pakistan. That's 5th March. Something big is happening.
Grok, what? Bro, I only use OSINT for any updates.
तू बता क्या लिखा है?
Breaking PM Modi speaks to Bahrain. Condemns the attack. क्या? अपनी बात छोड़.
Oh my God. Have you seen his interaction with reporters? You were asking me what Modi would say if his speech was not written by someone, or if he made it on his own, right?
Yeah.
So this one time there is an event where Modi goes to, बाहर मीडिया खड़ा होता है और मीडिया बोलता है सर हमें अंदर नहीं आने दिया. कैसे अंदर नहीं आने दिया? Oh my God. Have you not seen that clip? Let me.
But like in earnest or in sarcasm?
दिखाता हूँ मैं. No, he was just. I think he was pissed कि यार तुम्हें मैं जो ऑन नहीं दिया, तुम तो मीडिया के लोग हो. It's just sort of
Oh my God.
gentle side of Modi. देख Modi. Oh my God. ये देख.
बारी थी हम लोग अंदर अलाउ नहीं था. अच्छा. Oh my God. ऐसा कैसे हुआ?
He was just like, अरे मेरी publicity नहीं हुई यार, मतलब what the hell. दोबारा देख.
बारी थी हम लोग अंदर अलाउ नहीं था. अच्छा. Oh my God.
Today PR not done. What the hell? Today PR left.
in the past. So
Keir Starmer addresses the nation after Iran's attack on British bases.
that my latest autumn wardrobe has been donated to me by one of my local community leaders. Don't say anything about it, or I will have you arrested. Thank you and Allahu Akbar.
Fuck, man. The only Islamic country that's not being attacked right now is the UK. Yeah. Have you seen this?
Yeah, he cried.
Have you seen
Yeah.
Kejriwal crying? Check
Yeah.
this out.
PRPT केजरीवाल भ्रष्ट है, केजरीवाल भ्रष्ट है।
मुझे तो बुरा लगा यार, मुझे ऑनेस्टली बुरा लगा था। हमने देख, मुझे तो बुरा लगा यार।
नहीं, पीछे कैमरामैन क्या कह रहा है? सुन लिया?
केजरीवाल कहाँ है?
नहीं।
केजरीवाल कहाँ है? तू वो रो रहा है? तू कहाँ है?
बाइट मिस हो गई उसकी। झूठा है वेंचर, कुछ नहीं है। ये देख, read this out.
Khamenei has amazing support in Lucknow. Some carpenters were doing renovation work in our home in Lucknow while Aaj Tak was blowing war horns. All of them were pretty sad. हमारे
Rapper थे।
Lucknow has a huge population. यार बहुत
हम लोग टूट गए।
bigoted memes दिखा रहा है ये मुझे।
बस अल्लाह को हर पल हर मोड़ पर मौला की उनको ज़ियारत होती है। Off हम नहीं।
Crazy, man. How did, like, I think, was he important to the Shias at all?
The whole movement, he was head of the
I know.
Muslim movements, right? Islamic movements. So
बट मैंने सुना है कि उनके एंसेस्टर कानपुर से थे, like just 2 or 3 generations back.
Yeah. He's also from Kanpur. This guy. Ayatollah Mishra. Desi.
Desi Khamenei.
ये देख, ये पढ़ के सुना।
Sola got missile mocked by Cleric Maxine. Oh my God.
But you have to appreciate some of this. Yeah, I like this. This is
Yeah,
by Dennis
yeah.
Noel Kavanaugh. तूने देखी है?
Yeah. No, this New York Times reportage joke is very common.
Yeah, but why do they do this? Why does the New York Times always blunt the blow towards anyone they're sympathetic to? Why do they say shit like Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, hardline cleric who made Iran a regional power, dies it? It's like वो तो commemorate कर रहे हैं कितना बढ़िया आदमी था ये.
No, bro. I mean, these are. Firstly, I wouldn't be surprised if it's a fake one. Secondly, you pick one. I'm sure they publish 10. One which is like that, and it just gets picked up by the internet.
This is fake news, but it's funny anyway. Globe I News turns out to be a fake news account. Germany is seriously considering joining the war against Iran.
This is like Michael Jordan saying he wants to.
भूल गए क्या? हाय! ये हाथ ऐसे है अभी, ये उंगली अगर खुल गई, ये मुट्ठी खुल गई, तो हम पहुंच जाएंगे
भाई
1939 में.
मुझे एक compilation बनानी है of people hailing autos in Mumbai because it's all like this. I just like pictures of Indians going like this.
Yeah, it's this and Indians love for swastika. I think people really like Hitler in India for some reason. So the Mein Kampf was some American journalist chick who I got her on the podcast also. I forgot her name. She had this
Don't call women chicks. That's sexist.
अमेरिकी महिला एक जो थी वो आई थी पॉडकास्ट पे, उसका नाम क्या था?
Lady of American
रोजमेरी नहीं, क्या नाम था उसका, मैं भूल गया. ग्वेनेथ पैल्ट्रो नहीं था उसका नाम.
नहीं.
उसने बताया था कि मतलब इंडिया में माइन काम्प 2nd या 3rd हाईएस्ट सेलिंग किताब है. क्यों पता नहीं, भैंसो हिटलर की जीवनी पढ़नी है उनको, जैसे वो भैंसो विवेकानंद है या रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर है कि हिटलर के बारे में जानते हैं हम. आई डोंट नो, मेबी लुक्स लाइक राज कपूर टू देम. Yeah, dude, did you know this? Have you seen the map? This is the geography of Dubai. It's not safe and it'll never be if you move it. Like, I did not know it was this close to Iran. Yeah?
Yeah, funnily enough, I didn't realize either.
Huh?
I didn't realize.
This is how close it is. It's right next to Iran.
Yeah.
This is the Middle East. Have you seen this?
उन्होंने हमारे खानदान सबको मारा है। बाप रे यार, जैसे मासूम बच्चे मारे जाएंगे। अगर मैं हम बड़े होते ना, हम अभी इजराइल में जाके उसे सीने में चक्कू मार देते, चाहे कुछ बोले था। 20 साल की जेल काटनी पड़ती ना, जेल काट लेते, पर इजराइल को मारते। और अपने देश में कोई घटना घट जाए, इस पे क्या कहना चाहेंगे? मैम, अगर अपने देश में घटना तो घटी हुई है, एक ही है मोदी, वो भी वहां जा जाके इजराइल के साथ दे रहा था पिछली बार भी, और अब भी इजराइल के साथ आया था, तो कहीं देखा है वो। कल परसों मोदी खामनाई साहब के पास गया, उनकी हर जगह देख के कहाँ वे बेटे, कहाँ रोज अफ्तार करे, कहाँ वे नमाज पढ़े, कहाँ वे अपने घर पे सोवे। अब उसने देख के सारी इजराइल को बतला, इजराइल ने वहीं वहीं हमला करा जाएगा। कोरोना आया फिर नहीं की मृत्यु के बाद, मैम सुबह बहुत रोया, बहुत रोए थे मैम। क्यों नहीं रोगी जब हमारे रेपर थे? इसी तरीके से मोदी जी को कुछ हो जाता तो इसे जाके मोदी जी को कुछ हो जाते, क्यों रोते? हाँ। मोदी जी को हम क्यों रोते? नहीं रोते मोदी जी, क्यों रोते? हम खेलने के लिए रो रहे मैम। जब हमारे मोदी को कुछ नहीं लगता तो हम उसके लिए क्यों रोते?
Yeah, I think the first part is really funny. Yeah, this is someone saying how the BJP IT cell invited them to work.
वीडियो पे टिप्पणियां तो दो अपनी दोनों।
क्या? No comments from Hindus.
Only to achieve world peace is
You know, Rajiv Shukla looks some kind of a cute breed of dog. No offense, just objectively from
like
the
teddy bear.
from the gallerous face.
Gallerous face.
Gallerous.
You heard that first on those cars.
Yeah, Iranian baddies are now showing Porkistanis their right place. Let's see what the baddies are saying.
Iranian, happy. Ukrainian, happy. Lebanese, happy. Iraqis, happy. Syrian, happy. Who's not happy? I so feel Indians and Pakistanis that they lost their sugar daddy, their terrorist sugar daddy. They are not happy. I wish you soon join your beautiful leader family in the hell.
Dude, she could say whatever and I would laugh.
Happy.
She's gorgeous, dude.
Yeah, it's crazy, huh? It's got 168k views. क्या कह रहा है ट्रम्प? Yeah, let's
Okay,
watch.
time दिखा. Time of the
अभी डाला इसने.
Over the past 36 hours, the United States and its partners have launched Operation Epic Fury, one of the largest,
Epic Fury.
most overwhelming military offensive
1.5 पे करना.
the world has ever seen. Nobody's seen anything like it.
Nobody's seen anything like it.
We have hit hundreds of targets in Iran, including Revolutionary Guard facilities, Iranian air defense systems. Just now, it was announced that we knocked out 9 ships plus their naval buildings.
Naval building.
Minutes. Iran's formerly supreme leader, Ayatollah Khamenei, is dead. This wretched and vile man had the blood of hundreds and even thousands of Americans on his hands and was responsible for the slaughter of countless thousands of innocent people
कैसे बात करता है भाई?
in many countries. Last night, all over Iran, the voices of the Iranian people could be heard cheering and celebrating in the streets when his death was announced. The entire military command is gone as well, and many of them want to surrender into saving their lives. They want immunity. They're calling by the thousands. Combat operations continue at this time in full force, and they will continue until all of our objectives are achieved. We have very strong objectives. They could have done something 2 weeks ago, but they just couldn't get there. Earlier today, CENTCOM shared the news that 3 U.S. military service members have been killed in action. As one nation, we grieve for the true American patriots who have made the ultimate sacrifice for our nation, even as we continue the righteous mission for which they gave their lives. We pray for the full recovery of the wounded and send our immense love and eternal gratitude to the families of the fallen. And sadly, there will likely be more. Before it ends, that's the way it is. Everything
My God,
that
dude.
won't be the case. But America will avenge their deaths and deliver the most punishing blow to the terrorists who have waged war against basically civilization. They have waged war against civilization itself. I resolve it likewise. That of Israel.
The part that seems funny is the part that he's ad-libbing. जो भी वो वाला part funny लगता है ना, उसमें वो impromptu बोलना शुरू कर देता है.
Never been stronger. America is now, again, the richest, most powerful nation in the world by far. The only reason we enjoy the quality
America!
we do and the freedom and
विशाल लौड़ा बहनचो.
things that others are unable to do. But it's because of warriors who are willing to lay down their lives to do battle with our enemies. And they do battle better than anybody. An
ये
Iranian
दांत क्यों ऐसे कर रहा है? खटखट आ रहा है अपने दांत, देख रहा है तू?
and nuclear weapons would be a dire threat to nuclear
मिलानिया,
nation that raises terrorist armies to possess such weapons would allow them to extort
मेरी cousin खींच गई। So,
that happened to others. The United States has the strongest military the world has ever seen.
भाई मैं बताऊं, माइक पास रख ले।
There's never been a military like we possess. And frankly, there's nobody even close, but we are now using that military for good. We want to have it for good purpose. We're undertaking this massive operation not merely to ensure security for our own time and place, but for our children and their children, just as our ancestors have done for us many, many years ago. This is the duty and the burden of a free people. These actions are right and they are necessary to ensure that Americans will never have to face a radical, bloodthirsty terrorist regime armed with nuclear weapons and lots of threats. For almost 50 years, these wicked extremists have been attacking the United States while chanting the slogan, "Death to America," or "Death to Israel," or both. They are the world's number one.
random cuts.
हाँ, यहाँ पे काटा गया है।
बहुत जगह हुआ है starting
So
से।
we can do
I didn't notice the cuts.
what they do. These intolerable threats will not continue any longer. I once again urge the Revolutionary Guard, the Iranian military, police, to lay down your arms and receive full immunity or face certain death. It will be certain death. Won't be
Jesus
pretty.
Christ.
I call upon all Iranian patriots who yearn for freedom to seize this moment, to be brave, be bold, be heroic, and take back your country. America is with you. I made a promise to you, and I fulfilled that promise. The rest will be up to you, but we'll be there to help. Thank you. God bless you to our incredible warriors, and God bless the United States of America. Thank you.
You know,
Jesus.
he's आज हम लोग जब ऊपर स्विमिंग करने गए थे, we were playing Fortunate Son by Creedence Clearwater Revival as the song that plays in video games and whenever someone's making memes about United States delivering democracy to third world countries, right? It could be about the oil, it could be about sensitive geopolitical tensions or having access to that region. But they always make Americans believe that there is a threat out there to get them. And even if there is, it's so far away that they take such proactive action and then they say we're doing it for good. Americans are always about
Righteous.
good.
Yeah. But I think the last two haven't had the kind of public support that they expected, right? The Venezuela also had a majority disapproval rating, and so did. I don't know about this one, but I don't think these are popular wars by any means.
They're not. But what do you think? मतलब, what do you think about the fact कि तुम अपना प्रोटीन इंटेक पूरा कर रहे हो, टाइम से उठ रहे हो,
I've
टाइम
seen
से सो
those
रहे हो,
memes. I'm
है ना?
loving them.
और अपना काम कर रहे हो, अपने stocks तुम्हारे ऊपर हैं, and suddenly world leaders are waging war because no one is talking about the Epstein files now. For a while, that's gone. Peptides are gone. Epstein files are gone. Yeah.
Did you see the Polymarket bet that was made?
What was the bet?
There was a I think 70 or 50 hours before US striked Khomeini. There was a $80,000 bet made on Khomeini will die before 31st of before 31st of March, and the payout was $500,000 when that happened.
Crazy.
And this account has a success rate of predictions that is insane. So the level of insider stuff that's happening, of course, dude, if you're on the inside,
Yeah.
you can make these. I mean, there are the Nancy Pelosi's of the world that make stock market bets in the same way. But those are long-term, those are stocks, those are tracked. There is no tracking of this. You can see Nancy Pelosi and her husband's portfolio.
Yeah.
You can't see who's behind the anonymous Kalshi account.
तो आप बना सकते हो स्टॉक पॉलीमार्केट का अकाउंट इंडिया से.
Yeah, VPN.
I know just the guy who's good at predictions and likes stocks, and he's a friend of mine. So
There is, in fact, there was a great Twitter thread about how to use the World Cup to almost short make money on Polymarket, the Cricket World Cup.
कैसे?
Cricket is one of those sports, man, where emotions ka flux is very high through the game. So, for example, if you're watching football,
Huh.
If a team scores 3 goals by halftime, correct? It is almost guaranteed that they will win. Almost guaranteed that they will win.
कुछ miracle हो गया तो अलग बात.
अलग हो गया मतलब 4-3 कोई करा हाँ मतलब ऐसा होता नहीं है वो होता है but rarely in cricket. So your odds of who is going to win linearly increase in a game like football. In cricket, at one point you require 200 runs from in the second innings, right? That will be leaning towards the batting side that batted first because 200 runs are a lot. Let's say पहले 3 ओवर में बैटिंग चेजिंग टीम ने बहुत सारे रन बना दिए. Suddenly the odds will flip towards that because emotions like oh एक तो छक्के मार दिए कर दो, but they're still so far from the target that any reasonable cricket watcher will know just because power play में इतने मार दिए doesn't. But poly market moves according to emotions. So there's this guy who's written a thread about how he's made so much money from just the small deviations in emotions.
Crazy.
Because so what he did, and it's so interesting, he made bets on all the underdogs in all of the games. Okay? So they had like a 3% odd of winning or 4% odds of winning before. He made the bet and he had set a limit that if my bet payout at any point in the match becomes 10% higher or 5% higher, sell it. So like options trading, sell it. Bro, almost guaranteed hai ki in a match there'll be a moment where let's say Zimbabwe is playing against India and Zimbabwe ka pehla over bahut acha chala gaya. Suddenly the odds will change because we're like, wait, Zimbabwe can change this. It'll be minor, but he has set a trade that will ensure that even a minor fluctuation is captured and he exits.
So he's day trading on the bet.
Yeah.
It's like what people do, right?
He's optioning on the bet. But it's one of those sports where it is almost guaranteed that an underdog team will have its moments in the game. It will get a couple of quick wickets. Bro, imagine 2 wickets Zimbabwe takes off India in the first 2 overs. You'd be like, fuck, we are fucked as a bet, as a fuck.
Right, because you're thinking about the outcome, the final outcome.
Yeah, so you panic. And so the odds suddenly change. But you know deep down that the Indian batting lineup is so deep, so much experience, 2 wickets doesn't do anything. The match, so in that moment of Zimbabwe getting wickets, his stocks will sell, he'll make the profit and then he'll withdraw it.
Crazy.
Because he knows India is going to win. But I will make...
You can do that?
Yeah, options trading is an option of polymarket in Kalshi.
Wonderful. This was sponsored by Kalshi. Not.
Yeah.
I wish we would get that
Oh
money.
my God.
It's insane. Right. Yeah,
insane.
fuck. India में problem पता है क्या होती है? That people have too much trust in content creators and influencers, and there's not enough anti-gambling laws that actually ask you to put a statutory disclaimer like a Rogan does when he promotes DraftKings. इतना लंबा लिखा आता है ना कि आपको gambling problem है, आप बात करो फलाना ढिमकाना.
You know, they don't have to do that for Kalshi and Polymarket.
Why is that?
Kalshi and Polymarket, future betting markets were banned in America because they are inherently problematic because they allow for insider trading without monitoring. What Kalshi and Polymarket were able to do was say that the trades that are happening on their platforms are commodities and not bets. A commodity in US is anything that can have a future impact or an impact on the economy. Is a commodity that gets regulated not by the state, that gets regulated by the FDDI or whatever, the Bureau of Commodity Monitoring. That's why Kalshi and Polymarket are legal in all states. Betting is not legal in all states.
Crazy.
Because it comes under the federal. They were able to say...
Reframe it.
They were able to reframe it entirely. They said that betting on Khomeini dying is a commodity. Because that bet has an actual impact. That bet has an actual impact in the real world. If Khomeini dies, that is a real world impact.
So betting on real world events. It's not betting on a game that has but there's chance as well. Like
no, chance is there. But stocks have chance. So they have basically said we are a stock. We operate like a Robin Hood or a Zerodha. And they've been able to call themselves a Zerodha and it's been legally accepted.
What ingenious person who had lobbied first that and then that?
The 2 24, 25-year-old founders that are multi-billionaires now. Multi-billionaires.
Crazy.
The first time it was done was, I think, in Pittsburgh or somewhere, where the Pittsburgh University created the first publicly accessible future market predicting. The only reason the government gave them the approval was because it was not for profit. and it was small. But that experiment in the 90s is what laid,
Why you tickling my
not intentionally.
kneecap with your socks? It just feels so wrong. And you know, I'm heterosexual. You can stop. You're not Khomeini, and I'm not a
And his
12-year-old
8-year-old
virgin. Worst.
Welcome to Credible Veracity, where English goes for a toss.
Yeah. But you were saying?
No, so it's just very the future. This space is very interesting.
Good. Chalo, thanks for being on Dostcast. It's been great having you reacting. You held my hand for a little too long.
Oh my God!
अरे तूने देखा कि वो जो अच्छा oh should I yield? Have you seen how the
Oh भाई, मैं एक होती है.
करना yeah
Has it ever been figured out why this happens? Is there a theory behind why Indian males
do this?
yeah do this?
इनको होमोएरोटिक नहीं होता है, प्यार दोस्ती का सिंबल होता है ये. What's
मैं अपने पुरानी बिल्डिंग में बचपन में
यही करता था. मालियों के साथ जाके ये करता था.
I was laying down their hose. मैं कह रहा हूँ माली गार्ड के साथ उंगली ऐसे पकड़ के पीछे जाता था बिल्डिंग के.
Worse.
So I thought it had a homoerotic component.
Always. वो बोलते होंगे आओ मेरी जांघों पे आके बैठ जाओ, वो गार्डनिंग सिखाता हूँ मैं.
Oh, let me plow you.
बच गया तू, बच गया.
Oh fuck, that's simple.
3 out of 5 kids are touched. You were saved. Yeah. Would really love to interview one of the Epstein victims, by the way, if they could blur their face. I think it'd be great.
The one main Epstein victim that did the Netflix documentary committed suicide.
बस यही दिक्कत है ना कि
Australia.
you can't touch this shit, right? Like there's the people who are exposed, there is a nexus way above them as well.
No, but there are victims that have gone public, and then there are victims that have been settled with tens of millions of dollars. So that's why they've sent in. There are victims on paper because the settlements need to be drafted. So I think I remember reading one of the victims was given $40-50 million for not coming out and talking.
बताओ इसके एज में 45 की एज पे बैंगलोर के फंड को एग्जिट करके भी नहीं मिलते इतने. $3-4 million ही कमा पाता है.
$55 million किसे मिल रहा है भाई?
चलो.
Oh my God. Okay. Good
चलो,
pod.
yeah.
Enjoy, you guys. Let him do the outro.
Thanks.
Again?
Thanks.
You're welcome.
देसी क्राइम दोस्तकास्ट.
To the moon.
Oh, आप मेरा हाथ पकड़ के मुझे, you know, behind every man there is a beautiful woman. Just saying, throwing that out there.
No, behind every successful man, not behind every man.
Every man. Behind every man.
I'm sure your listeners especially could attest to that not being the case.
Why? He just assumes that. Very bad. Guys, lynch करो इसको, साले को. Guys, इसको lynch करो. चल, cheers. Mic दे दे इसको. अरे ये बेंच हाई रॉक्स. नई चीजें आती रहती हैं. ये इस जनरेशन का क्रॉसफिट है ना, हाई रॉक्स. हमने भी बहुत ट्रैक्टर के टायर में हथौड़ा मारा है अपने टाइम में. चलो, मैं यहाँ रखता हूँ चेयर को बीच में, and then we'll just do the outro. हटियो भाई, हटियो. ठीक है, कैमरे के एंगल में है ये. हाँ,
बस थोड़ा नीचे आ Perfect.
all right. Guys, ये whirlwind of an episode is now over. Please check out the Patreon. I hope you liked it. इस फॉर्मेट को मैं बार-बार पॉडकास्ट पे लाता रहूँगा. I've got a bunch of really cool episodes coming out. And I think that obviously I've talked a lot about, मैंने last time इतना epic rant करा था, मैं खुद ही हैरान हो गया था कि मैं इतनी फायर है हमें. But obviously I think the podcasting market is a little saturated and I really liked this chaotic style. If you also like it, let me know. I've got a bunch of friends, I've got a bunch of topics, and today I was just, I read some stuff on all of this. I just wanted to create something chaotic and also respond to this conflict. I've done that. Baki dostkas to the moon. See you in the next episode. And yeah, make sure to subscribe यार. बहुत टाइम से subscribers नहीं बढ़ रहे हैं. मैंने बिल्कुल call to action छोड़ दिया था. If you're watching this, subscribe. I've got tons of value for you. Subscribe to everything that has those casts on it. It is legitimate and we are back and we're doing new stuff now. Podcast guests कराते रहेंगे. Top tier guests, qualities, whatnot. But I personally like the chaotic nature of some of this other stuff. So if you like that as well, leave it in the comments. So if you like this as well, leave it in the comments and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.